Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, gearheads. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate guide to the world's top 5 best shocks for a 6-inch lift. Buckle up as we dive deep into the realm of high-performance suspension. Stay tuned for expert insights and recommendations. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's roll. Number 1. Gabriel 43163 Rear Load Carrier, a game changer for your hauling needs. This 2-pack of load carriers offers unbeatable strength and durability, ensuring your cargo stays secure on every journey. Engineered with precision, these carriers boast a sleek design that complements any vehicle. The easy installation process means you'll spend less time fussing and more time hitting the road with confidence. Whether you're transporting gear for a weekend getaway or hauling heavy loads for work, the Gabriel 43163 Rear Load Carrier has you covered. Say goodbye to worrying about your cargo shifting or getting damaged during transit. Invest in reliability and peace of mind with Gabriel. Number 2. Detroit Axle's RWD Shock Absorbers, the ultimate solution for a smoother ride and enhanced vehicle performance. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, these shock absorbers are designed to withstand the toughest road conditions while providing optimal comfort and stability. Engineered for rear-wheel drive vehicles, they ensure superior handling and control, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road adventures. With their premium construction and advanced technology, Detroit Axle's RWD shock absorbers deliver reliability and performance you can trust. Upgrade your ride today and experience the difference with Detroit Axle. Number 3. Arana 36-inch 200 lb gas strut spring shocks, your ultimate solution for smooth and reliable operation in a variety of applications. Crafted with precision engineering, these gas struts boast a robust 200-pound capacity, ensuring effortless lifting and supporting tasks with ease. Whether you're upgrading your RV storage compartments, replacing worn-out hood supports, or enhancing the functionality of your toolbox, these gas struts deliver consistent performance and durability. With a length of 36 inches, they provide ample support while maintaining a compact profile. Say goodbye to cumbersome manual lifting and experience the convenience of Arana gas struts for your projects today. Number 4. Skyjacker B8560 Black Max Shock Absorber with Black Boot, the ultimate solution for your vehicle's suspension needs. Crafted with precision, this shock absorber measures 24.4 by 3.2 by 3 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for a range of vehicles. Its black finish not only adds a sleek look but also provides durability against the elements. Engineered for maximum performance, it delivers unmatched stability and control on any terrain. With its premium build and advanced damping technology, you can conquer rough roads with ease. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smoother travels with the Skyjacker B8560 Black Max Shock Absorber. Upgrade your ride today. Number 5. Rough Country's 4.5 to 8-inch N3 rear shock absorbers, designed to elevate your off-road experience to new heights. These shocks boast a robust construction, ensuring durability on rugged terrains. With a 10-stage variable valving, they deliver optimal damping control, offering a smooth ride even in the toughest conditions. Engineered to accommodate lifts ranging from 4.5 to 8 inches, they provide enhanced stability and control, whether you're crawling over rocks or tearing through trails. The nitrogen-charged design reduces cavitation and foaming, maintaining peak performance under heavy loads. Upgrade your suspension with Rough Country's N3 rear shock absorbers for unparalleled performance and reliability on every adventure. In conclusion, choosing the right shocks for a 6-inch lift is crucial for optimal performance and comfort on and off the road. Whether it's durability, adjustability, or smooth ride quality you're after, there's a perfect match out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updates and videos. Happy trails!